Hey guys, Sam from Toolbox Marketing here. I'm just going to go through a few ways that AI copyright software such as ChatGPT can be utilized to help you with all that boring copyright content. If you have your business of your own or you work for a business doing marketing, potentially save you some money outsourcing this. A lot of people are talking about AI and particularly ChatGPT recently, and there's a few things I've noticed just while playing around with it that I haven't seen mentioned so much in the marketing sphere. So I'll just go through a few examples of prompting ChatGPT with some ways to help your business get the most out of its copyright functions. So just for a quick example, we'll just get it to write a follow-up email for abandoning a shopping cart. So if a customer leaves something in your shopping cart, you've got a funnel. You can just get some emails written to remind them that they've left items in there and hopefully create some urgency to finish the sale. So just say, write me an email for my fashion brand, reminding a customer they left items in their online shopping cart. So that's at its basic there. It's got a tag subject line there. Reminder, don't forget about the items in your shopping cart. So as you can see, it's a pretty standard email. It adds some stuff about fashion in there. The more detailed you put in regarding your brand with the name and etc., it'll incorporate that. So to tailor that a little bit, we could say, if you've got a certain target demographic, such as young people, you could say, write it in the tone of a younger person. So what that does is just rewrite this exact same email, but it can act as a certain demographic. So if you say write it as an older person, it'll just use language that'll be more targeted towards that demographic. Younger person, you can see they say, what's up, we noticed you left some killer items in your shopping cart on our website. Make you feel like a total boss. So just a lot of younger person language in there. Might not be for you, but whatever your business is, you can incorporate those demographics. So that might be a little long. You could say, make it shorter. And it'll write the exact same email, but just shorten it up a little bit, make it a bit more succinct. So if you felt that it wasn't creating enough urgency in the email, you can add any sort of elements like that. So you could say, include more urgency. Just little prompts like that can help tailor your email to get the best effect out of them, the best results. So as you can see, the subject line changes it to urgent, complete your purchase now. Inventory moves quickly, plus the clock is ticking. So these are all good language features to use to create some urgency. So for whatever your goal is with your email, you can just use words like write in the tone of, make it shorter, make it longer, make it funny, etc. And just completely tailor your emails for your brand so that you can get the best out of this and not have to write them yourself. You can just add little features that you want in them. You can do this for social media captions too. So let's just say your brand is made by young people for young people and you want to incorporate that in a caption. The essence of that, you could say, write me an Instagram caption for my clothing brand made by youth for the youth. So it even gives you a few options here. It includes hashtags too. So yeah, some pretty good captions. You could say if you're going for a more urban style, you could say make it more urban and incorporate more slang. So it uses a lot of young person language in there. Cop our latest gear and stay fresh. Put some emojis in there as well. So you can definitely see these captions, on clothing sites that you've seen online. They definitely wouldn't look out of place, but this is just the defaults. So you can add as many elements as you'd like to tailor it down and get it on brand for your company. So another way we'll just show you is FAQs for a website. So if you've got a website for your business, and pretty much every website these days has FAQs at some point, so frequently asked questions. If you didn't want to write out every question answer yourself, you could just input a bunch of raw information about your business, and then you get ChatGPT to create the questions and answers out of that information. So if we just pick a business, we'll go Gucci summary. We'll see what that gives us. Summary of the Gucci brand. So even if we just take that little couple lines there, we'll see what that gives us. So I'll say, write me some FAQs for the following, from the following information, we'll say. So as you can see, it puts in some FAQs automatically. So when was Gucci founded? And it just pulls all that data from the text and separates it for you, so you can instantly create some FAQs and save you writing them all out. So you could even, if you're not happy with the structure, if you think it should be in a different order, you can just say structure them differently, and it'll just rewrite them in a completely random order. You could do it several times. You say structure them differently again, and it'll just put them into an order you're happy with. You can just keep doing it until you're happy with the order. You could say use more adjectives. Still generating. So it gives you the same FAQs with more descriptive language. So it even incorporates those straight into the FAQs for you. So visionary entrepreneur, storied Italian fashion brand, affluent elite. It's produced all this language just based on your prompt. So you do the exact same thing and say use less long words, make it shorter, make it a bit more easy to read. All those sort of prompts you can use. So yeah, that's it for now, guys. I just thought I'd go through a couple of examples. If you've got any good prompts or ways you can get the best out of ChatGPT for copywriting as well, feel free to comment them. But I just thought I'd make that short video just to help you guys. If you've got any copywriting or marketing problems, writing stuff, you're getting a brain block, then that's just one simple way you can help get your captions as good as they can be, really. You can just keep tailoring it and playing with it until you're happy. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Cheers.